I am finally home from work.
Welcome back, Dad. We missed you.
You are home just in time.
Traffic was bad, but I hurried.
I am glad you are safe.
I have a surprise for someone special.
We love getting surprises in this house. Is that surprise for me, Dad?
Yes, this big box is just for you.
Thank you so much, Dad.
Go ahead and open it right now.
I wonder what is inside it. Wow, it is a brand new tablet.
Do you like the pink color?
It is my favorite color ever. That is a very nice gift.
I wanted to make you happy.
I absolutely love it so much.
You deserve it, my sweet girl.
I will play fun games on it.
Remember to do your homework first.
I promise I will do that.
It has a great camera, too.
Huh? I can take pictures of us.
We can take a family photo.
Maybe they will like my test today. I worked very hard on this subject. I studied for a whole week straight. Dad will be very proud of me. Math is my best subject right now. I cannot wait to show them. I will take a picture right now.
That is a wonderful idea, my sweet.
Dad, please look at my math test.
Not right now, Tom. I am busy.
But I got a perfect score today.
Just put it on the table.
Don't you want to see my grade?
I said put it down, Tom.
I studied every single night, Dad.
Go clean your room right now.
Okay, Dad. I will go clean. Wow, Maya, look at that score. I beat you again, Dad.
You should really look at his test.
I can look at it later tonight.
He worked really hard on that paper.
I just gave Maya a big gift.
Tom needs your attention right now.
I will talk to him tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow is much too late for him.
He will be perfectly fine, honey.
We really need to talk about Tom.
What is the problem this time?
This concerns me a lot tonight.
Why are you so worried now?
You are ignoring your own son.
I am just very tired from work.
Your behavior is not good today.
I am doing my absolute best here.
You always favor Maya over Tom.
That is not true at all.
I see it every single day.
I work very hard for this house.
Money is not everything for a child.
I provide for this whole family.
He needs your love and attention.
I buy the food and pay bills.
That does not make a perfect father. I am doing the best I can. You need to try harder for Tom.
I decide who gets my attention.
That is a very unfair choice.
I do what I think is right.
Then please show it to him today.
I will do it my own way.
Your way is pushing him far away.
I am the boss of this house.
Please do not speak like that.
I can say whatever I want.
You are hurting his feelings very badly.
I never wanted a second child.
How can you say that out loud?
Having him was a big mistake.
You do not mean those awful words.
Yes, I really do mean them. It's me like that.
That is a terrible thing to say.
It is the honest truth for me.
I hope he did not hear you.
He is in his room sleeping.
You cannot run from this problem. It is you.
I am done talking about it.
He thinks I am just a mistake. He does not want me in here. I made a wrong choice showing it. My perfect test does not matter now.
I hope my little boy is okay. This is a very bad situation tonight.
I am very sorry that I exist. I just want to be a good boy. But I ruin everything for my father. I will just be invisible from now.
Is he finally asleep in his room?
You broke his heart tonight, you know?
He will feel much better by tomorrow.
I really do not think he will.
Why does it still hurt this much? I thought today would be better.
Tom, can we talk for a minute?
Yes, Dad. We can talk now.
I want to explain about yesterday night.
You do not have to explain anything.
I was very angry last night.
I heard what you said, Dad.
I said some very bad things. You said I was a big mistake.
I folded the picture like this.
Why did you do that, Tom?
Because I do not belong here.
Please, let me show you the truth, son. I
thought I didn't belong.
That is not true, my boy. No, it is not okay at all.
I will stay out of your way.
I made a wrong choice speaking. Words can hurt a lot, Dad. I am so sorry for my words.
Are you really sorry for what happened?
I am deeply sorry from my heart. But you said I was a mistake. You are definitely not a mistake. I was very wrong to say that. I was angry about work things.
You should not blame me then.
You are right. I was completely wrong. I want to be a better father.
Will you look at my math test?
I will look at every single test.
We love you very much, Tom.
Do you really love me today?
You are our wonderful, smart son.
We are a family together forever. We are going to change things now.
I would like that very much.
I am so proud of you.
Even with my math test grade?
Especially with your perfect math test.
I really did work very hard.
Your father has something else to say.
It's about your bedtime routine starting tonight. Our words are very important to remember. We must speak with love, always.
Kind words make a strong family.
When we speak in anger, we hurt people. But love can fix our mistakes together.
I feel much better now, Dad.
Can you forgive me, my son?
Yes, Dad. I forgive you completely.
Let us unfold that picture right now.
We are all together again here. We will always be together, Tom.
Are we having breakfast soon today? I am very hungry this morning. Yes, let us eat a big breakfast.
Let us celebrate Tom's perfect test.
That is a really great idea.
I love you, my wonderful son.
This is a very good morning. I love my family very much.
It's a beautiful memory. Come on, let's go make some more.
Okay, Mom. That smells incredible, honey.
I know, right? I think Tom guessed what it is.
Is it really the pie?
Here we go. Special breakfast for the science fair winner.
Awesome! Can I really have as much sugar as I want today?
1 spoon won't hurt, champ. You earned it.